Bea, wala nga akong alam dyan sa wedding mo. Sa preparation, wala akong alam. And if I have a question, I even call your wedding coordinator. Because ayokong makialam sa private life mo. Ganun ako ka-respectful. Everything you know, like nung lumabas yung marriage bonds, I didn't know about it. May nagpadala na sa akin that morning. Then, wala ko alam. It's really when people know about it. But the problem is, every time may lumalabas sa, di ba, nung mag-boyfriend na sila, and there's always mga news or blind items and all that. Sinasabi niya na pinagbibintangan ako or kampo namin. So, alam ko na. I know how to avoid it na. Di ba? Wag na ako, quiet na ako. Dapat wala akong alam. Because I want a deniability. Kasi sobra na eh. Palagi na lang pag may lumalabas na balita, parang galing daw sa kampo namin. Eh wala na nga akong tinatanong, wala na nga akong alam. Lalo about the wedding, na ano ba yun? At mga nagtatanong kung suspend, wala akong alam. And even if may alam ako, alam ko that's very a sore topic for them. So, who am I to confirm any of those? Alam nyo yan. Alam nyo lahat yan. Tinatanong nyo ako, may ni-reveal ba ako? No, kasi ayoko nga makialam. Okay. The problem is, dapat nagtanong sila bago nila ako sabihan ng... I find that very insulting, parang tingin nila sa akin, pulubi. Diba? Na parang pag wala na si Bea sa akin, magugutom na ako. At saka tanungin nyo kahit sino dito sa showbiz, more than 30 years na ako dito, meron bang magsasabi sa inyo na nagutom ako, or nangharbat ako ng pera, or I cheated my artist out of their talent fee? Meron bang ganon? And meron bang impression sa showbiz na mahirap ako? Diba? I just want to make this clear, Bea did not make me rich, nor will she make me poor. So, stop calling her my cash cow. I have bigger stars that I'm handling, who are busier than her.
How about the prenup, Ms. Shirley?
I have no idea about the prenup. Ni anino, ni one sentence of that prenup, hindi ko nakita. I know there's going to be a prenup, pero hindi ako nagmaderang asa na yung prenup. Hindi talaga. I didn't ask about it. Nalaman ko na lang, nagpirmahan na. And nagpirmahan when I was in LA. So, wala talaga akong alam. I was not here.
So, hindi rin po kayo tingin.
At saka, bakit ito ipapakancel? Ninang ako, nagpagawa ako ng gown, nag-effort ako, and at that time, kasagsagan ng Middle East War, ng Iran War, ayaw kong dumaan ng layover sa Dubai. And at that time, the plane fare was so high. Kung ayaw kong matuloy ang kasal, bakit ako gagastos? Just plane fare alone and hotel is almost 700,000. So, logic tells you, gusto ko yung kasal. Diba? Bakit ako lumipad na ahead of time? Ang ginawa kong flight is from Manila to LA. Kasi from LA, I fly to Madrid. Ayoko talagang dumaan ng Middle East. So, ginawa ko, nagpa-schedule na ako ng mga doctors ko para may saysay naman yung pagdaan ko sa LA. So, all these things happened when I was in LA. Okay? Di ko alam anong nangyayari dito. One day, I received a text from her business partner, Bea Secosana. Okay? And she told me, I'll read it to you. Resibo ko to. Kaya kayo, na pinagbibintangan ako, maglabas kayo ng resibo, okay? Oh. This is from Bea Secosana. When was this? I want to give you the date. Friday, 8th of May. I don't know if this is the date in LA or the date here. Hindi ko na alam, nag-change ba yung date. Anyway. Hi, Tita. Bea asked for a favor if you can message her guests and Amanda, the wedding coordinator, na din daw po. This is what she wants to say. She composed the whole message. Okay? To send to the guests. Her guests.
Bea herself or her friend?
Bea herself.
Bea.
She told Bea Secosana to send it to me. Again, Bea Secosana said, Hi, Tita. Bea Alonso asked for a favor if you can message her guests and Amanda, the wedding coordinator, na din daw po. This is what she wants to say. The start of her message. I'm messaging on behalf, kumalat na to. This is not a surprise. It's all over. I'm messaging on behalf of Bea. As if ako yung nag-text, right? We sincerely apologize for the sudden notice, but unfortunately, the wedding has been canceled. We understand that many of you made time, effort, and arrangements to celebrate this special day with them, and we are truly sorry for the inconvenience and disappointment this may cause. Bea is currently on a flight right now, but she wrote it. But she will personally reach out and message everyone as soon as she lands. We kindly ask for your understanding and prayers for her during this difficult time. Thank you so much for your understanding. Can you imagine the stress I felt right away? I even texted Bess. Of course, I had the reaction, Bea, totoo ba to? I mean, yes, Tita. And where is she? I want to talk to her. I want to confirm. She's on a plane. She's on her way to London. Ako naman, should I delay this? But people are already flying. This is the 8th of May. People are already flying. Nakakaawa naman because I know how much it costs to buy those tickets. So I'm not considerate in a way. Kailangan na itong padala. So, my next dilemma, should I put my name or should I send it as is? If I send it as is, people might think it's a prank and it'll be all over the social media again. This is not supposed to be taken as a joke. This is a serious matter. And kami mga manager, pag hiningan kami ng tulong ng mga artist, we are there to help. Especially in this kind of situation. Diba? So, what I decided was to put, hi, this is SK. So, people, her guests, would receive it and they know it's not a prank. It's legitimate because SK is credible. So, there were people who were on their way to airport or they were able to cancel. But there were people who could not and chose not to. But, mali ba yun? So, kung may nakarating sa iba na ako yung taga-text, well, I'm correcting you now, which Bea probably did not correct those people. She should have. Nung lumabas yun, I think your first instinct is to say, no, she did not send that. I asked her a favor. Yun man lang. Pero kinain ko lahat yun because I cannot add to her pain. Sige lang, okay na. Diba? Kaso ayaw tumigil. Even in all the parties, all these Chinese community parties and dinners and everything, ako ang topic. And these people who are friends with the other camp are confirming na ako daw talaga ang cause. Nakit nakarating sa akin, I have naman Chinese friends. They're there at dinners or whatever. And I'm so glad they defend me. They said, Tita SK, I defended you that it's not true. That I'm your friend. Of course they tell me this is going on. But, hindi lang ito once, twice, 3 times, all the time. This has been going on. But, kailangan ko bang mag-depend sa mga friends ko to defend me all the time. They cannot be in all the parties. So what do you expect me to do? Masyado na akong siniraan. At gusto pa akong ipaaway. And even then, yung sinisiraan ako, I promised Bea, I was not gonna say anything. But last Friday was too much. I think that's a bit too much. And I told Bea, may text ako, Bea, nag-resign na ako. Hindi pa ba kayo masaya? Ano pa bang gusto nyo? Is that clear? By the way, dagdag sa stress ko kasi yung number of guests, hindi ko naman sila kilala lahat. At yung makilala ko, it doesn't mean I have their numbers. So, na-stress ako kasi mag-a-add ako ng number ng mga kakilala ko, pero wala naman kaming, it doesn't mean, kuya magkakilala tayo, it doesn't mean I have your number, you have my number, right? So, I have to be very careful in adding that number because I don't want this text message to fall into a stranger's hand or at stranger's phone. I was that careful and respectful. So I was really stressed that I had to text Bea Secosana, Bea, can you help me? From this number to this number, can you do it? Kasi I have a doctor's appointment. I have to go to my doctor. And sabi ko, yung mga glam team, na humingi na rin ako ng tulong sa handler ni Bea na si Nina Ferrer. Nanghingi ako ng tulong hindi lang ako nagpadala niyan. Pero yung sa akin, I don't know how they did it. Yung sa akin, I identified myself to protect Bea. Kasi ayokong mabastos to. This is something very serious. Sad. Very sad. So, sabi ko pa nga kay Bea Secosana, I'm trying to make an appointment for a bone density test. Nahihirapan ako mag-appointment. Can you just take over first, please? Kasi ang hinahabol ko naman, yung mga aalis na, lilipad na. Do I want this? Do I need this stress? Sabi ko, I don't want to get stressed and go to my doctor. Do I need this? I did that for her. Pero ano nangyari? Ako pa rin ang may kasalanan. So I told her, when I was resigning, Bea, the cancellation of your wedding is between the two of you. Eh bakit ang accountability sa akin? Why am I being held as the person who's accountable? I don't know. Did I do something wrong? Mapapel ba ako na ako nagpadala nito? Did I want this? No. Yung mga alaga ko naman, lahat, pag nanghingi ng tulong, no matter what, minsan wala na sa job description ko, I help.